change the locks, but your key's still working. You can't train a moth, I guess. Oh, each beast gets her burden, so we circle this old flame. Too much at stake, but too late to change. My nerves are shot, my reserves exhausted. It's a tired plot, but we bought it, now we're lost. Between love and cholera, saccharine reads. Such a sentimental novel, give you cavities if it doesn't drive you to the bottle. As for me, I'll take another kerosene. If you got it, something harder, built like a moth, you see. And I still get chills when you talk to me. But the years pass by now in 2s and 3s. These thrills ain't as cheap as they used to be. If you're asking, I can't say no. Just one more chapter, I'll get pulled close. And I know it's a madness to play these odds. It's like giving matches to paper dolls. I know it's madness. I know it's madness. I know it's mad. Oh, tried sweet talk, tried dynamite, but I sleepwalk back to the battle site. Fight fire with fire, but the fire won't fight. We just fly these circles like tired